siya ng kinironto kaya.
Hanah, Louise, Fam, Sweet. Kelly, Renee.
The 68th graduating class of Tascosa High School. You may now toss your cap. Please stand and join us in the singing of our alma mater one last time with our graduating class.
What's up, guys? Now we're gonna eat, but there'll be the two parts. As there are like there. Where's the meat?
What do you mean?
This is the food right here. Khao suey, bukio, sushi.